announce an event that is going to take place in India. The Lord has taken me to the airports of India twice this day. The Lord took me in the spirit. He made me fall asleep, then he took me to India just about 2 hours ago, and he shows me the airports, and there was such a crisis at the airport. I see a baby that is dead and it's in a bag. So there's going to be a situation in the airports of India. And I heard people saying they were traveling to the UK, the flights were traveling to the UK. And then the Lord showed me a lot of aeroplanes in the sky, a lot of flights in the sky, a lot of flights. I saw aeroplanes, a lot of white aeroplanes in the sky. But I see a lot of people scrambling for transportation in India because of the crisis that is going to take place in the airports of India. I saw so many planes in the sky that were traveling. The sky was overcrowded with aircraft. It is going to happen very soon. But at the same time, at the airport, so many people were full. Some of them got the flight, others missed the flight. Others were entering buses that are taking them to the aircraft itself at the airport. And I see a crisis. Then I open a bag. The Lord allowed me to open one of the bags. I see a dead child in the bag. So that means there's going to be a crisis in the airports of India. The mouth of the Lord has spoken that these are the distress of these days. The nations need to prepare for the coming of the Messiah. These are the distress that Daniel talked about in Daniel chapter 12 verse 1, that there will be a distress that is unparalleled since the creation of the earth. And at the same time, I saw a lot of aircrafts in the sky, and I wondered, how can another plane even take off, because the sky is overcrowded, precious people. May the Lord be blessed. Shalom.